How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Unveiled channel. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on the cryptocurrency VChain and trying to answer the question of whether or not VChain is a good investment. Before we do get started with the video though, I'd like to say, of course, if you are new around here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button as we post daily cryptocurrency news. And of course, guys, like I say in every video, this is not financial advice. This is strictly just for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you go out and do your own research and come to your own conclusion before investing into any coins that I mentioned in my videos. With that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. So like I said, in today's video, we are focusing on the cryptocurrency called VChain. And which basically by the end of the video, we're going to be trying to understand what VChain is and whether or not VChain is a good investment. So before we do actually look at what VChain actually is, we can see we are here on the CoinMarketCap, coinmarketcap.com here. And you can see that the price per VChain coin is just currently sitting under 2 cents per coin, and it's currently up just over 2.6% on the day. We can look at the fully diluted market cap of VChain, and it's over 1.7 billion. So this is a very, it's a substantially high market cap. So it means that this coin has been out for quite a while now, and it's been able to be developed into such a a more confident crypto and have a much higher cryptocurrency market cap than I've seen of a lot of other altcoins which I reviewed in the past. You can see that the 24-hour volume is fluctuating a lot. I mean, it did literally just jump then quite a lot, but it's sitting around $1.3 billion for the 24 hours, which is something which I haven't actually sort of realized yet. If you look at the 24-hour volume, you can see it's actually up almost 30,000%. I'm not sure what's really happening with the 24-hour volume for VChain right now. I'm not sure it's glitched or what, but you can see this is incredibly high 24-hour volume. You can see it's actually fluctuating between 10.1 billion and 1.3 billion. So I'm not sure if that's a glitch or what is happening with VChain, but it seems to be like there is a hell of a lot of interest around VChain at the moment, which is why I wanted to get a video out on VChain today. You can go ahead and look at what VChain actually is. So we come on to the official website here, so vechain.org. And basically, to put it very simply, what VChain actually is it's all about helping businesses with their supply chain, and with a sort of side mission of sort of helping the supply chain of businesses be more efficient and also more sustainable for the environment is one of their key missions here. So as you can see here, bolstering trust, collective action, redefining value, and interconnected ecosystems. And they've all, of course, got a white paper here as well for you guys to check out if you would like to. Of course, they're also focusing on Web3 as well. And you can see here, since the start, we have worked on building a transparent, efficient, scalable, and adaptable blockchain platform. Of course, you guys know, like I say in most of my videos, these keywords here are sort of main buzzwords into the crypto community. Things like transparency, efficiency, scalability, and adaptability are all sort of main buzzwords in the cryptocurrency space that sort of people like to look out for and make sure that cryptocurrencies are doing them. Because normally a lot of cryptocurrencies say that they are, efficient and scalable. However, not a lot of them actually prove they are. And with VChain, I do actually believe that they actually are, continuously proving that they are actually efficient, scalable, and adaptable, as well as sustainable for the environment. Let's go on a bit more here. You can see they've got a few more and goes into a bit more detail about VChain. You can see VChain's journey. When we began, it was rare to see major business applications running on public blockchains. Enthusiasm was still low. We endeavored to change that. Right from the start, we aimed to differentiate ourselves from the many speculative crypto projects. We immediately saw the opportunity for enterprises to capitalize on blockchain technology. So basically what they're trying to explain here is they saw that basically no businesses were running on public blockchains, so they basically set out to try and solve that problem and sort of work with businesses to help the supply chain. They've got a few more things about details about VChain there, but another key thing which I love about VChain is they've got a fully doxed team. You guys know what I personally believe is a cryptocurrency without a strong team, of course, is not worth investing into. With VChain, they've got not only an incredibly strong team, which are constantly improving and developing the cryptocurrency, but they've also got a fully doxed team. If you guys don't know what doxed mean, doxed basically means that the team around this cryptocurrency has basically come out and shown their identity and shown who they are. So this also, of course, this puts a great amount of confidence into the investors because, of course, these people are now putting their identity out there. If VChain was to rug pull tomorrow, these people would be, they will be liable for the VChain. So it puts a hell of a lot more trust and confidence into the investors. You can see that each of these different parts of the team here, each of these people each have experience in the cryptocurrency, and they've been around the cryptocurrency for a very long time, which is even puts even more confidence into the investors. They've also got a little bit about the economic model here. So the sustainable 2-token economic model. So they've got the VAT and the VTHO. Behind the VChain has been designed to develop a non-volatile trading environment. Different from most single token economic models, where VChain governance mechanisms also serves to stabilize token costs. So with this unique sort of economic model, this also gives VChain a little bit of an advantage over other cryptocurrencies, because like it says, other tokens just use single token economic models, whereas VChain actually uses 2-token economic model. Just gives them a bit more uniqueness with that as well. This is one of the main things which I wanted to talk about with VChain, is actually the actual figures and the sort of statistics around VChain, as how they actually proven they are so scalable. So as you can see, it says here, highly scalable, and you can see they've actually got over 2.1 million active wallet addresses. They've got over 265 million clauses to date, and they've got over 47 million transactions to date as well. So just constantly showing investors that VChain actually is highly scalable as well, which is of course, like I said, a lot of cryptocurrency throughout these buzzwords like sustainability and efficiency and scalability. But if a cryptocurrency can actually prove it, that is the best thing to see for cryptocurrencies. They've also got here low carbon, so of course again just focusing on to sustainability for the environment as well, which is a big problem in cryptocurrency. So I'm sure it's great that they're actually able to solve it. A bit more here about the VChain's energy consumption as well. And they've also got enterprise partners as well, so you can actually see that they are not actually just putting out theory. They are actually putting this out into practice and actually already partnering with businesses around the world to help them develop and make their business more efficient. If we scroll down a bit more here, they've also got VChain, the layer 1 for sustainability, just further showing that, reshaping business for sustainability once again. And that is basically it for the whole explanation about VChain. If we hop over to their Twitter page here, you can see that they've got an incredibly large amount of followers on Twitter, over 580,000 followers on Twitter. And they are constantly, like I say, really strong team behind them, constantly updating and improving VChain, and constantly, making events such as this, running, they're actually launching a beach cleanup in Singapore, and offering $2,000 to talented artists who create the official event NFTs. So they're basically constantly improving and being active with the community, which is basically one of the most important parts about cryptocurrency. Is the cryptocurrency actually stays active and are actually showing the community that they are here to stay. So like I say, yeah, they're just constantly updating on their Twitter page as well, which is always awesome, nice to see as well. If we hop back over to CoinMarketCap here and just sort of delve back into sort of the whole, should you invest into VChain, we will look at sort of the how long this crypto has been going on for, look at its all-time highs, and sort of give my own personal price prediction about VChain. So if we scroll down here and actually look at the chart and we switch it to all-time chart, you can see that they have actually been around, or maybe even longer than before 2018, but they actually released their token in 2018. So it just shows that they have a very, very long track record, which again, track record in crypto is, it can be a very key part of the cryptocurrency, because it just again shows the investors that this crypto is here to stay, and it puts a lot more investors into confidence. Puts a lot more confidence into the investor. You can see in the 2021 bull run, they did actually hit an all-time high of over 25 cents per coin. Ever since then, of course, when it hit the bear market, it has been very, very stable here. But what I believe with VChain is, I believe that this token will be huge in the future, just from the fact that they solve such big problems for businesses. And a lot of people will be seeing this chart here and saying, oh, it's been very, very stagnant. I'm not sure if this cryptocurrency is dead. However, I believe, in my personal opinion, that this actually is a great buying opportunity for VChain. If we come back up here and look at the current price per VChain coin, you can see it's under 2 cents per coin. And if we look back at its all-time high, you can see that it actually hit in the 2021 bull run over 25 cents per coin. So again, guys, if this does actually hit its all-time high in the next bull run, which I do personally believe that it actually will hit its all-time high and hopefully surpass its all-time high, you'll be seeing an easy 12x 10x to up to maybe even a 20x on your money if you would actually, you know, buy at the current price that it is actually at the moment. Of course, it's not financial advice, but that is my personal opinion on VChain. So yeah, with VChain, I'm super bullish. And should you buy VChain? I mean, of course, it's up to you. However, when we're looking at these sort of features around VChain and how many solutions it has and how many problems it solves, I believe that, you know, VChain has a very strong future. And even just looking at the track record of VChain, you know, a very long track record. And if we look at the all-time high, you know, the current price of VChain is extremely low. So this is a great buying opportunity for investors if they did want to get invested into VChain. Apart from that, guys, I'd like to thank you very much for watching the video. Of course, leave a comment down below what you think about VChain. Are you going to invest? Are you not going to invest? Let me know why. Of course, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're new around here as well. Apart from that, I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace.